Hey guys, welcome back. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Event, almetaldryerevent.com. So today's something kind of special. Actually at a women's shelter for abused, I don't know, it's just, it helps my heart to be able to help these people out. So one dryer had a repair tech out, said your dryer vent there's something wrong. So let's go figure it out, guys. All right, so we're inside now, and as you can see, it's doing all kind of funky loops. So we'll trim that down for sure. And as you can see, it's going up. So the best thing we can do now is we got to go find it, guys. We got to find where it exits. All right, let's see. Yeah, this should be a good one. All right, we'll be back, guys. All right, so as you can see, here's the outside. Let's go up. Lock the ladder. Boop, 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 boop. Ooh. All right, and so I already have the dryer running, so now we're gonna try to see if we can find it. All right, well, looks like I've got to try to find the dryer vent, guys. Let's check right over here. Haha, something tells me. Look at this. Look at, oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, this one. Oh my word. All right, now guys, keep in mind, this is, it's a women's shelter. All right. God, that sun is terrible. Keep in mind, this is a women's shelter. So these machines, or this machine, it's running all the time. Let me get my toys, we'll set it up, we'll be back. All right, as you can see, back out here, this one's gonna be dirty, guys. This one's gonna be dirty, that's all there is to it. as y'all can see, that vent's not but about, I don't know, 12, 14 feet long max. 14 feet long max. Look at this. Jeez, dude. All right, I'm gonna run the brush through a couple more times just to make sure I got everything cleaned out. Then we'll check the downstairs. Let's go downstairs. I'm back. All right, so you can see we're back inside now. We'll pull the machine out, disconnect the flex, see what we have going on. Now, you don't need to use the blower long because I've already brushed the system out. If you were just a homeowner, put this joker in there, push the dryer back, let it hold in place, let it run for 5 minutes. One of the best things you can do as a homeowner. We'll be back. All right, now to push her back in place. See, I'm gonna have to replace this elbow. I don't know if I can show you why. Hold on. See that? It won't go around the exhaust of the machine. Be right back. All right, so now you can see new elbow. Because that bend in the other one, I couldn't get it on the exhaust of the machine. Never was gonna work, so. on there. A little more cleanup, and we're out of this part. All right, guys, so the dryer vent cleaning part is done. As you can see, this place needed some help, and it's truly my honor to be able to try to help out any way we can. I wish everybody else kind of thought the same way, but it's not the case. So next I'm gonna replace this damper. If you want to hang out, cool, you can, more than welcome to watch it. I invite you to. Otherwise, remember Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. I appreciate so much every single one of you guys. You know, without you guys, I would just be up here being bored. Now I get to entertain myself. I'm learning video, learning editing. That's fun. I'm learning comments too. I'm learning comments too. Sounds like some of you guys already got the comment game on lock, but maybe need to come with little facts. But anyway, hang around if you want to watch me put the new damper on. Thanks. All right, so without having to take the entire duct system apart, what I've done is I've cut the snout off of this one, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get all this off. That'll go on like that. All right, more mess. Then, just like normal, here are the louvers. Make a U, they'll fit in the holes. Yeah, I'd say we have pretty darn good airflow. If you made it this far, guys, again, thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Something I haven't been saying to you guys a lot. If your dryer's taking more than 45 to 50 minutes to dry a load of clothes and the dryer is still getting hot, okay, if the heating element's blown or the thermal fuse, any of that stuff, then you got to get dryer repaired. But if it's still getting hot and it's blowing air, and it's taking you longer than 45 to 50 minutes, odds are, not odds are, I would almost bet your paycheck that you have a dryer vent issue. So even if you live a long way away, it's something you guys need to check out, okay? Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.